Hello, teacher.
Hello, Ivan. Good afternoon. Okay. Are you ready for our activity this evening? Oh, no, this not this evening, but this afternoon. Are you ready? Yes, you are. Okay. So, Ivan, let's do your task. So, last Wednesday, we had our reading and writing test too, but then we didn't finish it. So, this time is we are going to continue reading and writing. Okay.
Mm.
Okay, so are you ready? Ready?
Yes.
Okay, so with me, Ivan, I'm gonna share the screen with you. So we can now start with our activity. Now here, Ivan, I have here part 3. Part 3 is for questions 11 to 20. You're going to look at the sentences below about a metal sculpture of a giraffe and its artist. Okay, Tom Bennett. So read the text and decide if each sentence is correct or incorrect. Okay, so Ivan, just write, listen. For what? Okay, so you mark A on your answer sheet. Wait. If it's correct, write A. If it's incorrect, write B. Okay, there are only two choices. It's just like true or false. Go. Finish.
Not yet. Wait me a minute.
Okay, okay.
I'm done.
Okay, so please read your answers. Go.
11. The headmaster wrote to the artist to ask about buying this sculpture for the school. A. Correct. 20. 12. The school got 13. The school children were looking forward to the arrival of the giraffe. Wrong. The artist Tom Bennett started making metal objects while he was working at the university. Wrong. Tom thinks that he did an excellent drawing on his first day at school. Wrong. Tom only made one metal bicycle for himself and his wife. Correct. Tom channeled one of his metal sculptures into a different animal while he's making it. Correct. Tom says that his line sculptures was very popular with small children. Oh, wrong. Tom intends his animal sculptures to appear realistic. Correct. The popular giraffe sculptures. Wrong.
Okay, ready now to check?
Yeah. I think I will fail in this.
Okay, let's check, Ivan. Okay, number 1. The headmaster wrote to the artist to ask about buying sculpture of the school. The answer is B. It's false. Let me see. The school headmaster noticed a sculpture of an artist's garden as he drove past and thought would be perfect for his school. I knew everyone would love it. Ah. Oh, here, the answer, Ivan, is false because of the word wrote. She did not wrote. Oh, wait. So I asked them to write the letter to the artist. So it means that it's not the headmaster who wrote the letter, but the students were the one who wrote the letter. That's why it's false. Number 2, I 12. The school got the giraffe sculpture free of charge. The answer is true. He arranged it. Oh, did not pay for it. Number 13, the school children were looking forward to the arrival of the giraffe. The answer is okay, very good. It's false. 14, the artist Tom Bennett started making metal objects while he was working at university. Correct. 15, Tom thinks that he did an excellent drawing on his first day at school. Very good. 16, Tom only made one metal bicycle for himself and his wife. Correct. A. 17, Tom changed one of his metal sculptures into a different animal while he was making it. Correct. It's true. 18, Tom says that his lion sculpture was very popular with the children. Oh, it's true, Ivan. 19, Tom intends his animal sculptures to appear realistic. That's correct. True. Oh, no, yeah, that's correct. True. And number 20, pupils of Grangetown High have decided to name on a name for their giraffe sculpture. Very good. It's false. All right. Ivan, you just got few mistakes. Only number 11. Uh, wait, me. 11, 12, and 18. So 3 mistakes out of 10 correct answers. So you got 7 out of 10. Not bad. Okay? Just be more careful with the true or false. Now here, part 4, questions 21 to 25. Read the text and questions below. For each question, mark the correct letter A, B, or C on your answer sheet. There you go, Ivan.
I'm done.
Okay, please read.
21. What is Chris Young doing in text? I choose A. Describing the different places
Places.
he saw while cycling. 22. What do we find out about Chris' bike? I choose D. It had trouble going up hills.
Okay, let's check. So we have
Yeah,
here
so,
cycling in the countryside. So have you ever been cycling? This spring, my older brother and I left the busy city, spent a long weekend cycling in the countryside. Our average speed was only 45 kilometers per hour, but didn't matter. We hadn't come to break any speed records or get fit and healthy. All we wanted was some fresh air and break some schoolwork. My bike only once went more than 30 kilometers per hour, and that was when I raced my brother down the hill on our road. We really enjoyed cycling along flat, traffic-free country paths where was plenty of spring sunshine. Oh, okay. Let's do number 21. Hi, Van. What is Chris Jones doing in this text? The answer is oh, it's recommending cycling as a good type of holiday. Look at here. Why it's like that? It's because as you can see here, he wrote here things that we can get from cycling. What are the best thing that will happen to us if we do cycling? That's why it's a form of recommending. It's not describing the places because we are not only talking about the places, but also the things that's good for holiday or for cycling. Number 22, what do we find out about Chris' bike? Chris' bike is, oh, it needed attention at one point. All right. This one a bit, Ivan, is a bit tricky questions. It needs metacognition. Metacognition means thinking about thinking. You're going to dig deeper into your mind how to answer this. Okay, I'll just give you more time. Ivan, to answer 23, 24, and 25, you enter again to the Zoom class, Ivan.
yeah.
Okay. Don't answer fast.